Hey guys, thanks so much for joining us for today's product video. This product video I am so excited to discuss because we've been working our tookuses off, the whole front row team and myself. So I am excited to launch our seasonal subscription box. So in the subscription box, you're gonna get 5 full-size products that we already have that are best sellers, or products that are not even going to come out until like a month or two, and you're going to get a bonus, 10% off always in store and online, free shipping. And yeah, I'm excited to kind of give you guys the first sneak peek of our spring box. And I'm going to show you what's going to be in the spring box. So excited. So we want you to feel like it's Christmas every time that our beauty box comes in. So they will be wrapped like this. This was Rachel's great wrapping, not mine. Mine is a little bit good too. But yes, it'll be like this. This is the beauty spring box. There may be different papers and stuff like that, but this is pretty much it. In the spring box, you're going to get a full-size golden bronzer. You're gonna also get the Pinky Coral Matte Blush, which is so pretty, and we're gonna swatch it for you. You're also gonna get, for this subscription box, 2 lipsticks and a lip liner. So I'm going to show you the 2 lipsticks. You're going to get Coral Fever and Lovely. So the Coral Fever is a flawless lipstick, little bit of a gloss to it, and then Lovely is a matte lipstick that is just super pretty. You can mix them together like a little you can mix them together, or you can wear them separately, or whatever you want. And the last product of the 5 main products in the subscription box is Lovely Lip Liner, which goes with this lipstick, but it looks really pretty with this lipstick also. So when I was choosing the 5 items for the box, I really wanted to consider and really think about my customers' styles and skin tones, and really make sure that I am within your comfort zone, but also in that little smidge of like pushing you out a little bit. So that's what we do. If you come to the store, to the studio, you know that's what I'm known for doing, is making you feel really uncomfortable with various things. So I really hope you guys like the products I chose. So with our seasonal beauty box, the way it works is that you're gonna get 5 full-size products. It's going to be either products that are best sellers or products that are going to be launched throughout the season, but you will have first dibs at all of it. You'll get 1 bonus product, maybe a little bit more, I don't know, but like right now, let's just say 1. A mini mag, which is a step-by-step and tips and little tutorials, visual tutorials, and a little booklet. You'll also get free shipping and 10% off every time you're in the store or online you shop. So it's a quarterly box, and the entire box is $45. So that you'll get charged every quarter, which we have it on the website as a schedule, and it's going to be a limited time subscribers opening. This spring box, the opportunity to subscribe is going to end April 15th. So, and the next opening will probably be about 10 to 5 days before the next box. I really hope that you guys enjoy our seasonal box. I'm super excited. I'm putting so much love and care into it, and I hope you really love it. And if you have any more questions, make sure you check our website, www.frontrowcosmetics.com, and I really can't wait for the first subscribers to get this box. I'm so excited. Thanks guys. See you next time. Bye.